Hi, I'm Eric Leha. I'm an Onnit certified coach, and you might know me as the Primal Soldier on social media. Today, I'm gonna take you through some 5x5 workouts for muscle and strength. If you like what you see, make sure to give us a like and subscribe for more. 5x5 is a classic set and rep scheme for getting bigger and stronger. It means you do 5 sets of 5 reps, and it's usually done on a barbell or kettlebell exercise. With 5x5, you can train your whole body very efficiently in around 30 minutes. Here are 2 sample full body 5x5 workouts that you can use for the next 5 weeks. You can perform the exercises in the sequence shown, or you can alternate sets of the exercises that use 5x5. Note that not every exercise in each workout uses the set and rep scheme. Rest 2 to 3 minutes between all sets. You're training for strength, so don't rush it. It's important to choose the right load for the 5x5 exercises so you don't go too heavy and burn yourself out too early. You need to use challenging weights for all 5 sets, but also maintain good form. In week 1, choose a weight for the 5x5 exercises that allows you 3 more reps than the 5 reps that are required for every set. In week 2, go heavier with a weight that allows you 2 extra reps, but again, only do 5. In week 3, choose a weight that gives you only 1 more rep than the required 5. In week 4, you'll back off a little bit and reduce the weight by a few pounds so that all your sets feel a little easier. This is gonna help you recover and go even harder in the last week. Finally, in week 5, add more weight than you've done yet and go as heavy as you can on all 5 sets for 5 reps. You should be able to set some new personal records. Sample workout 1. Number 1, deadlift. 5 sets of 5 reps. Step 1, stand with your feet hip width apart and tilt your tailbone back. Bend your hips back to reach down and grasp the bar with your hands just outside your knees. Step 2, keeping a long spine with your head in line with your hips, take a deep breath into your belly, brace your abs, and drive through your heels. Pull the bar up along your shins until you're standing with your hips fully extended and the bar is in front of your thighs. Keep the bar pulled in tight to your body the whole time, with your shoulder blades pulled together and down. Think proud chest. 2, incline dumbbell press. 3 sets of 8 to 12 reps. Step 1, set an adjustable bench to a 45-degree incline and lie back against it with a dumbbell in each hand. Step 2, press the dumbbells from a shoulder level to overhead and then lower back down. 3, face pull. 3 sets, 12 to 15 reps. Step 1, attach a rope handle to the top pulley of a cable station. Grasp an end in each hand with your palms facing each other and then step back to place tension on the cable. Step 2, draw your shoulder blades together and down as you pull the handle to your forehead so your palms face your ears and your upper back is fully contracted. Sample workout 2. 1, bench press. 5 sets, 5 reps. Step 1, lie on the bench and arch your back, pulling your shoulder blades down and together. Grasp the bar just wider than shoulder width and pull it out of the rack. Step 2, take a deep breath, tighten your glutes, and lower the bar to your sternum, tucking your elbows to your sides at 45 degrees on the descent. When the bar touches your body, press it back up. Sometimes you don't feel focused and alert in the gym, and your workout can suffer as a result. New Alpha Brain pre-workout was designed specifically for athletes and gym goers and supports focus, power, and endurance. It's the ultimate way to charge up your mind and body. Use the coupon code GETONNIT to get 10% off Alpha Brain pre-workout at onnit.com. Now, let's get back to the video. 2, bent over row. 5 sets of 5 reps. Step 1, grasp the bar with your hands at shoulder width, step back, and set your feet at hip width. Hold the bar at arm's length against your thighs. Take a deep breath and bend your hips back. Keep your head, spine, and pelvis aligned. Bend until your torso is nearly parallel to the floor. Step 2, draw your shoulder blades together as you pull the bar up to your belly button. 3, hip thrust. 3 sets, 8 to 12 reps. Step 1, load a barbell on the floor. Lie with your upper back resting on a bench and your legs flat on the floor in front of you. Roll the bar into the crease of your hips and hold the bar on each side. You may want a pad or a towel to cushion it. Place your feet flat on the floor between hip and shoulder width apart and turn your toes out slightly. Step 2, brace your abs and push your hips up, driving through your whole foot until your torso and hips are parallel to the floor. Focus on pushing through your feet rather than trying to drive your hips as high as possible. You don't want to go up so high that your lower back hyperextends, as that can cause injury. Thanks for watching. If you like this, please give us a like and subscribe to our channel. And for a full tutorial on the 5x5 method and sample workouts, click on the link in the description. And if you're looking for some more kettlebell full body workouts, go to my page, Eric Leja, or ericleja.com. All right, check y'all later.